Let's see how to adjust cell as per text length in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, right now we have a table that has pretty small dimensions. And let's say that we want to insert a sentence. So let's go ahead and type in a random sentence. And as you'll see, the sentence does not extend to the right. Instead, it goes down along the cell. Now, what if you want it to look like that the sentence would extend all the way to the right without manually adjusting the cells? So what you can do is click on the table. Now click on table layout, and you'll see under this auto fit option that you have the option to auto fit your contents, your window, or to fix the column width. So for this one, you want to fit the content. Let's go ahead and click that. And as you can see, that automatically changed the size of the cell to fit the text. And that is how you can automatically adjust the cell size to fit your text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.